Alright, so what we do have here is the Zoom, and this ring here is connected with this wire. And we want to change that, and we make it wireless. And in order to do this wireless, let's turn this off. You need a Bluetooth sender and receiver, and you need two of them. Now, they are not cheap, and it's just crazy that you need two, because this main station doesn't have one, and this thing doesn't have one. So let's prepare this one first and see what we can do here. There is, on this side here, a little hole. You can puck this open, and then there is where you can insert one of them. Let's try that. So I just bought this here, and I think it's too expensive. It's like just, is it worth it? Oh, let's come on. It doesn't want to come out of the container here for sure. Yeah. I bet there's a manual in there. It is. Now how does it come out? Here. Oh. Look at this. Tiny little thing. And plug this in here like this. And after you do, the cover doesn't fit anymore, right? So you can immediately see when it's in there. And then you need batteries in this all of a sudden. There's a thing in there how it goes in, like this. There, and lock. And you need another one on this side. Unlock, open up, put the battery in, close it, lock it. So now this thing is ready. There is an on-off button. Here's the power button. I don't know where the power button is, so I don't know how that works. And I'm surprised that there is no cover for this one here. Okay, so that, and then we need to put another one in here. Here is the cover. Let's open this one. This is the same difficulty here with opening this. Here. There it goes. By the way, the number on here is the same number on both. And it goes in here, like this. It's sticking out a bit. So also here the cover doesn't work anymore. You have to keep this aside. Okay, now let's power this on. Push and hold. Like this. So we only have power wire now, and here connected to our amplifier. So this one does not work. How do we turn it on? Buttons don't work. Maybe you have push and hold. Oh, here is the power button. A little tiny little thing. Push and hold. There it goes. Perfect. So now we see here BLE device list. I don't know what that means. Push enter. Now it says connected. Oh look, it works. So that was very easy, right? So it connected itself. And now without a wire, I can use it. And I don't need this cable anymore. Now it's truly wireless. And what can I say for this? So interesting that there is no cover for the USB here. That would be nice. And then here on the Bluetooth piece, you see it illuminates blue. It's sticking out a bit. Okay, and then also here too, it's sticking out of the case. Okay. Can we go off the function here? Huh? Right, so that was it to show how to make this whole thing wireless. The ring separate from that. There's another one where you can connect this ring to your phone, for example. I'm going to show that in a different video.